New environment, y'all. I did this braid down method, and it's better than my actual cornrows, because I can show you a picture of me and the cornrows. But it looks like this now, so that's pretty good. Y'all, so I already got the shirt on. What we need to do now is put on this wig. It comes in this bag right here. I'm gonna take off these glasses too, because although I like to see, I want no glue on my glasses. Actually, I'm not even gonna use glue. I bought these wig strips because sometimes I'll be changing my mind. I don't want to wear wig the next day. So this is perfect. Ooh, y'all, look. Y'all could just zoom in. The hairline, it look okay. Look a little beady up. It's gonna have to do, cause Danny want a Pixie. Oh! Y'all, this wig stink. This wig stink. Let me shake it, cause I don't even think I got no comb. Oh, it stinks. I can see some little highlights in there, like slight bits of red, I guess. Maybe I should brush my edges back. I was like, so do I need to like do the freeze spray thing? Do I need to do the freeze spray or anything? I'm just like, technically I really don't have to do that. My hair is not like this because of waves, it's because I'm freaking black and black people got big foreheads. I'm joking. I just naturally have a big forehead naturally. Some people just look like me and Rihanna. Okay. How am I gonna get this on my head? Oh, this girl was not lying. It's a little struggle. She said it took her 25 minutes to get this thing on her head. I'm getting the idea. I look like a clown, bro, with them big old foreheads. Small head girlies is lucky. You don't gotta go through what we big head girls gotta go through. Trust the process. This is ridiculous. This is so freaking hard to put on my head. I'm starting to second guess myself, but I'm like, no, because we already went this far. We might as well go and go and go and go. Let me clean up my forehead. I got this thing of rubbing alcohol and swap off any oil, any sweat that I got on my head. If it burns, you gotta cut. I don't know why you got cuts on your forehead unless you're trying to pop your pimples, and then you got open wounds from that. But it dries out your skin, so don't do too much. It's my first time using tint. So let's zoom in. Ew, looks like blood. Am I using too much? It smells good. I'm not gonna eat it, y'all. I'm not gonna eat it. But the wig stinks, but the tint smells real good. Y'all, I'm back. I got these scissors to cut up the lace, and then I got my Clinique foundation and this brush I got from the dollar store. It's like with this cute little small forehead. Girls with this forehead is so cute. Like, I'm gonna make it look cute, y'all. Trust the process. Not one of them girls that just be plopping on the wigs with them small heads. This girl got dreads. This girl got locks. It takes a while, okay? Yes, my head looks big right now, but when you pull it down, sweetie, cause this Pixie looks, I'm feeling myself right now. I've never had this type of hair before, y'all. And best believe I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna wear it again. And I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna wear it again. And I'm gonna keep on doing it until this thing gets all messed up. Let's put it a little closer to my ear. Let's try to have a small forehead. The peel from this side. Okay. And then peel from this side. So, this piece is not. We're gonna try again, y'all. I found a way how to put these on. Hope I don't take out my edges though, because I'm not gonna lie, I took out a little strand of my edge and I was just like, whew, girl, I already have so little. These things is trash. Negative review. My edge will not be taken out. Oh. Okay. I did not want to have to glue this wig, but I'ma just have to. I'ma just have to. This HD, I got this thing from TikTok shop. Oh my gosh, I started seeing colors that I didn't even know the name of. Back in the day when I didn't have alcohol, I used to use hand sanitizer. And I used to get that off real quick. Because I had this one rainbow wig. I'm not proud of her at all. But I had her. And the way to get her off was that hand sanitizer. I'm like, well, how you get off wig? They said alcohol. I'm like, oh my gosh. So I'm like, wait, hand sanitizer got alcohol in it. Let's try that. Some girls want to put on hydrogen peroxide. Whatever it's called. You want me to make my hair look blonde? Something about you. Not playing. Ooh, I feel it in my eye. Y'all, I don't think I feel like doing this. And I already started, and my hairdresser already texted me, my loctician. Let me just make this a little straighter. She already texted me, she's like, yeah, 4 p.m. is great. 4 p.m. tomorrow is great. I'm just like, okay. So now I gotta really be on top of my stuff. But it's like, why you want to stay secure if you're having it for one day, Danielia? I don't know. I was doing too much and now I have this little white cast over it. All right. All right. If I glue it down like this, I wonder if I could like still at the end. Take it all back. And I'm gonna take off this wig and find a way to put it back on. Forgot I had that band. Like, when I fix this wig, no one can tell me that it's not my hair. That girl was not lying because once I fix the wig, it better look all natural like hers. Y'all just about to eat. Trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Because right now, I look like I literally got electrocuted. They spray the hairline with the got to be. Ooh, don't drip down too low. And it melts it. And it melts it. It's not melting, but I'm gonna come back and see if it melts. Girl, I am stuck. Girl, I give you what you want. 'Cause your love is on me. Okay, y'all. So it melted a little bit. If you just put aside this part, it melted it. It kind of melted it, y'all. I look like this looks like a round, but it's gonna look good. I forgot which way you do it. Y'all, this got hot quick. This gotta use I gotta hold it like chopsticks a little. Please don't burn me. Please don't burn me. What is this? let's just put some in my hand. See what we do with this, cause we're gonna fix this. It's giving Jerry girl. It's giving big forehead. It's giving no. It's not giving. It's not giving. I'll be back. Is it giving, y'all? Is it giving? Be honest with me. Be honest with me. So y'all, I like it. I think it came out like really cute. Hopefully it's focused on me. Like I said, y'all, I think it came out really cute. The edge look a little weird. I'm gonna have to reinstall it, redo it, whatever. I don't really care, but the fact is that I look good. The Pixie, it definitely eats. But yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all liked it.